Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh to all the students. As you know, here I Ramandeep Kaur, Science and Mathematics teacher from Akal Academy, Ram Singhpur. Today I am here my physics activity from chapter motion. As you know, we have discussed and we have done the chapter number 8 motion in your class. Now let's discuss two terms, distance and displacement. These two terms were there in our chapter. So let's start with an activity, distance and displacement. What is distance and what is displacement? Some of you are say that these are only two names but are equal things. Means you will say distance is equal to displacement. These are the same things. Nothing changes there. These are only changing the names, but you are wrong here. Distance and displacement are different two terms of a motion. Now I'll show you that what is a distance and what is a displacement. Firstly, we will discuss about what is distance. What is the distance? Total length of a path covered by an object without specifying its direction. Means in the distance we will not specify the direction and total length covered by an object will be counted. Means when we total the length covered by an object without looking for a direction is called a distance. Then what is a displacement? Now another question is that what is the term displacement? So let me show you what is a displacement. Displacement, overall change in a position of an object in the specific direction with the shortest distance traveled. Means we will just take the indication of specific direction and it is the shortest distance traveled by an object. Distance traveled by an object, shortest distance traveled by an object with the specific direction. Means two things are here, one is the shortest distance and another is a specific direction. Two things are required for a displacement. I think so some students are still confused that what is a displacement or what is a distance. So let me discuss these type of things with an example. Now I am going to show you an example of these two things. Let's see the example. Here is my house and I have to go to my friend house. I will use two methods to go to him. Means I am going to my friend's house with the two methods. One is of displacement, one is a distance. So let us see that what will be a displacement and distance of my car if I use two methods for the particular purpose. So I will take two methods, one is a long distance and one is a short distance. Now you will easily understood about these type of things. So I will just turn the point. Firstly, I will just take the car to the east side. I just directly traveled to the east side with the 10 kilometer and reached to the destination, means reached to my friend's house. So here is I have traveled 10 kilometer and my distance was traveled by my car is 10 and direction was east and it was the shortest path. I have taken a displacement through the shortest path, 10 kilometer, direction east. Now I taken here and after that there and after that turn the car to this side and after that to that side to the house, and I have taken a long distance of 20 kilometers. Means I have just go through the longest way. So here is a path travel 20 kilometer, direction no specific direction. Firstly I go to north, then east, then south, then east, and it is the longest and indirect path to go to the destination. It is called a distance. Means when we use longest and indirect path to go somewhere or to complete the destination is called a distance. One more thing is to be discussed over here, that if we go from this point and come to that point only, then distance will be a 20 kilometers but displacement will be a 0, because we have started a journey from the point and there only we have finished. Then displacement will be 0 but distance will be traveled, means it will be a 20 kilometer. Through this example we understood that displacement can be a 0 but distance cannot be a 0. I hope you all have understood what is a distance and displacement. Thank you. Stay safe, stay happy.